Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play planes in Battlefield 2042. First, let's get familiar with the basic controls. You'll use your mouse or right stick for pitch and roll, and the A and D keys or left stick for yaw. Practice these movements to gain muscle memory. Don't forget to engage your afterburners with the left shift key or left trigger for a burst of speed, crucial for both offense and defense. Now let's talk about taking down the enemy. When attacking ground targets, focus on high-value assets such as tanks and infantry groups. Your primary cannons are excellent for consistent damage, especially against lighter vehicles and infantry. For heavier armor or clustered enemies, deploy your air-to-ground missiles. Remember to lead your shots and anticipate enemy movement for effective strikes, ensuring you maximize your damage output. Staying alive in the sky is just as important as getting kills. Always keep an eye on your radar for enemy jets, helicopters, and ground-based anti-air threats. If you hear a missile lock warning, deploy your flares or countermeasures instantly to break the lock. Then, execute sharp turns, barrel rolls, or sudden changes in altitude to further evade incoming projectiles. Your survival depends on quick reactions and smart, evasive flying. Finally, let's cover some advanced tips to elevate your game. Don't be afraid to experiment with various aircraft loadouts. Some are better for air-to-air, others for ground attack. Communication with your team is key. Call out targets and request support. Also, mastering landings and takeoffs allows you to quickly rearm and repair, keeping you in the fight longer. With practice, you'll become a formidable pilot in Battlefield 2042.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.